This is Mr. Chris Pratt. Someone has paid in full for him today, and he is leaving for his new home on Friday, which is 4 more days. Yes, you got a new home to go to, buddy. Yeah. You're gonna be loved on all the time. Aww. You're gonna be loved on all the time. Yeah. He is such a good boy. He is one of our red miniature poodles. He was from Brooklyn and Archie's litter, which was the celebrity litter. He was sleeping. So I'm just a sleepy little guy. I brushed him out a little bit. And now I'm taking pictures for his new mama, and I decided to take a video for her too. Say, yep, it's me, Mama. Hi.